In this section, we will explain the workflow and features of the Sales and CRM module, which are applicable to all the documents. The important documents managed in C Enterprise include sales inquiry, sales quotation, sales order, and invoice. All these documents can either be created directly or generated from the previous step. For example, a quotation can be entered directly or created from an existing inquiry, which saves time and effort. Similarly, a sales order can be generated directly or created by referencing a previous document, such as an inquiry or a quotation. Users can also prepare an invoice either directly or by referencing a sales order. The C Enterprise ERP is designed and architected to support a wide range of production workflows and routing processes, either directly or through referencing a sales order. These workflows include BOM-based, work center-based, and process-based approaches. The process-based workflow enables the capture of process parameters, QC testing values, and process-specific routing. Furthermore, C Enterprise ERP is capable of handling batch manufacturing, reinforcing its status as one of the top ERP solutions available today. Each document within the module can have different statuses: saved, submitted, pending for approval, or approved. If no approval process is configured, a document is automatically considered approved upon submission. The saved status allows users to save a document in progress, which is particularly beneficial when working with documents containing numerous line items. Once a document is saved, the Submit/Forward button becomes visible on the screen. Users can check the approval status by clicking the Approval Status button. Today we are going to demonstrate the CRM module in the C Enterprise ERP software. The C Enterprise CRM module is the first of this kind which can be configured and operated without any pre-training. The cost of operating the C Enterprise CRM module is much lower than other CRM module available in the market. To access the CRM dashboard, select the Sales and CRM module from the ERP dashboard. This dashboard offers a range of functionalities, including creating sales inquiries with their follow-ups and revisions, generating sales quotations with follow-ups and revisions, creating sales orders with their follow-ups and revisions, and handling sales invoices. You can also perform additional tasks such as managing the outward delivery schedule, creating a material packing list, and generating a pro forma invoice. The system allows for material issue from the stores based on the invoice or packing list. The C Enterprise Sales and CRM system supports processing material returns from customers and generating credit notes. Additionally, it enables setting up sales rates and discounts tailored to specific customers. The dashboard provides top management with a comprehensive overview of key financial metrics, including the number of inquiries, the total value of all quotations, the total value of customer orders received, the total value of invoices, and the total value of pro forma invoices generated during the financial year. By clicking the More Info button, you can access detailed drill-down reports. By clicking the More Info button on the inquiry icon, you can view the number of inquiries categorized by location, including interstate, intrastate, or export. Inquiries can also be analyzed by monthly, customer-wise, and document-wise. Additionally, monthly inquiries can be further drilled down into daily, customer-wise, and document-wise details. Press the back button to return to the previous screen. Similar drill-down views are available for sales quotations, sales orders, and sales invoices. Various graphical presentation are also available in the dashboard with drill-down report associated with it, reports like monthly tax invoice, tax invoice category-wise, invoice party-wise. The dashboard also presents detailed reports, including monthly sales orders, sales orders by category, and sales orders by customer. These insights help in understanding current demand and planning the required production for the month, enabling better production scheduling and resource management. In the monthly sales order section, clicking the More Info button reveals a report displaying the number of customer orders and their total value for each month. Drilling down further provides the number of orders and their total value for each day. This daily sales order report can also be drilled down by customer-wise and document-wise, offering a comprehensive view of the sales order status. A detailed graphical presentation, combined with comprehensive drill-down reports, makes the C Enterprise Sales and CRM module highly favored by both top management and end users for its simplicity and ease of use. This section explains how sales inquiries, their follow-ups and revisions are managed within the C Enterprise ERP software. To access the inquiry entry and tracking screen, click the Sales Inquiry icon on the dashboard or select the Inquiry option from the left side menu bar. In C Enterprise CRM, sales documents are categorized into intrastate, interstate, and export groups. This separation is essential because tax calculations, documentation, and legal procedures vary for each category. Clicking on Intrastate brings up the Intrastate Sales Inquiry document book list on the screen. A three-dot icon to the left of each document book, known as the Referral button, is used for configuring document properties. Click the Referral button, the document configuration and setting will appear on the screen. Key control settings include screen layout, customer filters based on zone and country, item filters based on family and family group, and different screen designs depending on whether the item has size variance. Additional settings involve user access options for the document book, document approval methods and levels, brand and model options, numeric scales for quantity and rate, item special properties, and custom variant property screens based on family, capturing sale employee details, and many more. Document settings differ across industries due to variations in item characteristics and production techniques. C Enterprise accommodates these differences by supporting item configurations and production methods for a diverse array of industries, such as shoe manufacturing, apparel, gaskets and pipes, automotive, pharmaceutical and chemical production, casting and foundry work, cable trays, conveyor belts, machine and tool manufacturing, and many others. Detailed, industry-specific configuration setup options are provided in separate sessions. To view the available list of inquiry document books, click the List button. To create a new document book, click the plus button and enter the required details. To return to the inquiry screen, press the back button. To create a new inquiry document, select the customer or lead from the drop-down list as shown. The list includes both customers and leads. If the customer is not listed in the drop-down, you can add a new customer by clicking the Add Customer button. If the inquiry is not from an existing customer, create a lead by selecting the Add Lead option. Enter the name, address, and zone for the lead. This lead can be converted into a customer once an order is received. Click the Create Inquiry button to enter the inquiry details. An inquiry screen with multiple tabs will appear. In the Item Detail tab, press the plus button to add an item. Choose the item from the drop-down list and enter the quantity. In the General tab, enter details such as the customer zone, protection status of the document, and any remarks. If the document is protected, only the document owner can view or modify it. Input the customer's contact address and the contact person, then save the inquiry details. Header and footer text can be included in the document. Additionally, multiple PDF, Word, or Excel files can be attached to each document. In this section, we will explain the Sales Inquiry follow-up actions in the C Enterprise Sales and CRM module. Select the menu option Follow Up. Upon selecting the menu option Follow Up, the Document Category Selection menu will appear on the screen, displaying options such as Intrastate, Interstate, and Export. After choosing a document category, a list of previously created documents within that category will be shown. Double-click on the document to select it, then click the plus button to add a follow-up entry. After adding the entry, click the Save button to record the follow-up action. To view the document, click the button located on the left side of the document number in the list. Use the back button to return to the previous screen. To view customer details, click the button on the left side of the customer name. In Enterprise CRM, documents can be revised as needed. Inquiries, quotations, and sales orders can be updated to reflect changes requested by the customer. Now let us explain how to revise an inquiry document in Enterprise. In order to revise a document, go to the menu option Revision. Upon selecting the option, the Document Category Selection menu will appear on the screen, displaying options such as Intrastate, Interstate, and Export. Choosing a document category, a list of customer names will be displayed. Select the customer, and a list of all inquiries created for that customer will be displayed on the screen. Click the Revise button to revise the document. Enter the revision number, revision date, and remarks. Then click the Revision button. The document will open for revision. Wait for the document to appear on the screen. In the top right corner, you will see the version labeled as Revised, along with the revision number and the revision date. Make the necessary changes to the document and save the revised version. Enterprise ERP will also maintain a record of the revision history. This section explains how sales quotation, their follow-ups and revisions are managed within the Enterprise ERP software. To access the quotation, click the Sales Quotation icon on the dashboard or select the Quotation option from the left side menu bar. In Enterprise CRM, sales documents are categorized into intrastate, interstate, and export groups. This separation is essential because tax calculations, documentation, and legal procedures vary for each category. Clicking on Intrastate displays the Intrastate Sales Quotation document book list on the screen. Each document book has a three-dot icon on the left, known as the reference button, which is used for configuring document properties. Document books can be assigned to individual sales users, allowing for work isolation specific to each user. For example, the document book can be configured to be accessible by the sales employee, their immediate supervisor, and the managing director of the company. Click the reference button. The document configuration setting will appear on the screen. On this screen, you can add users who are permitted to view the document and set their specific permissions. These permissions can include access to details such as quantity, rate, amount, and owner privileges. This feature is particularly useful for tailoring access. For example, production users can be allowed to view only the quantity without seeing the values, while accounting users can be restricted to viewing only the amount without seeing the quantity and rate. Users assigned owner privileges will have the ability to modify the document. The detailed configuration options for each document are covered in a separate session. To create a new quotation, select the customer or lead from the drop-down list as shown. The list includes both customers and leads. If the customer is not listed in the drop-down, you can add a new customer by clicking the Add Customer button. If the quotation is not from an existing customer, you can also create a lead by selecting the Add Lead option. Enter the name, address, and zone for the lead. This lead can be converted into a customer once an order is received. Click the Create Quotation button to input the quotation details. A quotation screen with multiple tabs will appear. In the Item Detail tab, click the plus button to add an item. Select the desired item from the drop-down list, and then enter the quantity and rate. The tax will be automatically calculated based on the item's tax rate and the customer's tax group. These configurations are set during the item and customer creation processes, ensuring accurate tax calculations without user intervention. This feature makes the C Enterprise software system-driven rather than reliant on manual input. In the General tab, enter details such as the customer zone, protection status of the document, and any remarks. If the document is protected, only the document owner can view or modify it. Input the customer's contact address and the contact person. Then save the inquiry details. Header text and footer text can be added to the document and printed as part of it. Attachments can be included with each document. Click the Attachment button. View or add files such as PDF, image, Word, or Excel formats. The process of creating quotations, following up with customers, and making revisions based on customer requirements is seamlessly managed within the system. Documents such as inquiries, quotations, sales orders, and invoices follow a similar workflow and can be managed through their respective menu options.